Hello students, welcome once again, and today we have the integral of e to the power ex dx, then that of ln and ln x dx. So we have to solve this. So over here we're going to use special functions to solve this. So we have over here e to the power exponent x dx. So over here let's use substitution. So let's say u equal to e exponent x, then differentiating u with respect to x, we have still e exponent x, then therefore let's find the value of the x. So the x here will just be du over e exponent x. But if you look at ex over here, ex is just u, so we have the x here being equal to the u here over u, right? So over here let's substitute it into the integral. So we have e here exponent ex. Now the exponent ex is just u here, so we have u here, then we have the x over here. Now the x is just du over u, so we have u here, then du. Now if we solve this, we are going to have the exponential integral of our u here, which is just e exponent x. So e exponent x, because it's an indefinite integral, then we have plus 6. So this is what we have for this one. Now let's look at this one. Now over here we have ln of ln x here, the x. So what we are going to do is that we are going to use integration by parts. So integration by parts is just given by u dv equal to u v here minus v in the u. So over here realize that our u is just ln of ln x here. Now it's integration by parts, so we have two values multiplying here. So we have ln of ln x here multiplied by 1, then the x. So our v here is just 1. So we differentiate the u with respect to x. Now differentiating this over here, this comes down, so it becomes 1 over ln x here, then multiplied by the derivative of ln x. So we find the derivative of ln x, we have 1 over x, which is equal to so we have x ln x, right? Okay, so let's find what so the x here, our du here will just be dx divided by x ln x. All right, so what about v? So v here, sorry, our v here is the v, not u. So this will just be the integral of that. So with respect to x, then we have just x. All right, so the integration by part is given by uv. So our u, which is just that, and our v, which is just that. So over here we have x here, the ln of ln x here, minus, now we have v du. So our v, integral of v du. So v here is just x, and then du is just ds, then x over ln x. So we have x ln x here with respect to the x. So over here we have x here, ln of ln x here. Now if you look at this place, x here will cancel x, and we have integral of ln x here dx. So final answer will just be our x, the ln of x, then over here we have the ln integral, right? The ln integral of just x. So let's put it there, the ln integral of x, then plus c. So this is what we have. So we have the ln integral of x plus c, and then we have that of that. So thank you very much for joining me in this section, and I'll see you in another section.